na ade ba kwa me call no se okwa obre ne ho ase one nkofo no etena se otie o masem otie o mahiade
bo ame na mesimi tumi bo amo na mo ba de bi omo so nya adwuma bi aye sabanchi your processing plant ako ana mi ni wo ha ye beti number ni per adwuma over 1,000 to 2,000 3,000 no grado 8 hours so decide say e 3 shifter e 9,000.
A good leader has 3 attributes. First of all, oye firm. Firm means say onye partial. And nana kwa mbediako obedia dia na. Untimi nkoka say do you know me? Because a man chewa. No matter, you need to be compassionate. And then the compassion. So obewo bro ama yonko feel their pain. African presidents nientia omo hu say they don't even feel our pain. They don't even know what we go through because you won no obi say me hu here that and pass hu here that. Chada I say I have been through the trenches. I know how accommodate with it. And the last one is to have respect for human beings. Respect. And you chada odu ho asani otena se na one nkofo no ebo nkomo sani a owu mpain no mean say yatete ni yie.
I've come here, they've come, oh, Kenya Japan, we're a drug dealer, oh, we're a loud mouth, oh, you say, it didn't stop. See, this is what Ghanaians are doing. We don't appreciate our own people. And the wrong people in society are our role models. That is why we are not succeeding. Nobody can tell me that Ghana is poor and I'll believe it. What did Ghanaians do that we are not making money? That is the question we have to answer. So don't tell me Ghana is a poor country. It is because we are so corrupt, we are so dishonest, we are not hardworking. Religion.
Me a footballer, my coach school so. And so
school do I say?
Yeah, UST.
Can UST? Yeah,
2016.
What your course way?
Me marketing, study marketing.
And they say we are there.
Say bon so adwuma ma na me. And so chada ba and say chada otimi transe. First do say you to the head ble. Oba atafo wan. Ye adwuma onu atika mu dia adwuma no bia meju ko didi. Who say a black and Tiafu de Chada Nani to a man and Perifone de Hamo. You
see the mentality I'm talking about? Or say Chadaba or Tieweti or support ye. May catch us the difference between the other political parties and the Nakwam Bediako is that the Nakwam Bediako is practical. The others they are fiction. They are fake.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed it. Mama Kwaba, baby, I will be a Yamin Shakas here. HL. Umina from Bambus, my jaw was so the door. Still, Chad's time. Or say industrialization. Say a dinjuma beba. Na Adiaba Kwame call no say or qua or bren hoase. Or ne in Kofuano etnase. Otio masem, otio mahia dear. No real no jabanche. Yakocha Chadamra.
At the crack, on Monday Banchi, every day here, AMPD, Sanchi Jumano, and Lunamidinam. And then I can say industrialization, who can Chima, and she said, and Juma. She said, Banchi say, if you go for no one can say later. If you must see the very starch. If you must be the Bayana, be a spring starch and into a tariff. If you must be the front mama, not a beer. And several women and Miss Mitchell Bomb, I'm back the bee. Almost when you may be a Sabanchi, your processing plant, Aquana, me no ha. You bet number the per juma over 1,000 to 2,000, 3,000. 3,000 no grado 8 hours. So you decided to say a man a 3 shifter. 9,000. The motion said, Sebanchepe, 8 million Juma, 8 million Juma Bankruma, 9,000. There's a more big more. What the count one? The million Juma 10, 20, 30,000.
You see, a good leader has 3 attributes. First of all, or firm. Firm means say on your partial. And nana come bediako, obedia diana. Ultimate koka say, do you know me? Because a man a chewa chew. Won't you see a chewa a chew? We are there a chew. Enti Sadiana, do you know me? No, a bayira. MBM, ye who BM Ghana, ye Jimmy Eti, police chewa, no fair police for now we are call. Do you know me? One from a mayor police get one watch. Jimmy Eti, yeah, the officer said, do you know me? Who are you? Are you not going to die? Won't you go 6 feet? Yeah, first I move my America. Joe Biden buy ya there, but so the country is working. Yeah, Jimmy Bakono. Do you know me syndrome? A Jimmy Cassia. Yera Chada was in no more. No matter, you need to be compassionate. And then compassionate. So be who and more bro ama yonko feel their pain. African presidents, they don't even feel our pain. They don't even know what we go through. Because you won't know, we say, me who hear that and pass who hear that. Chada, I say, I have been through the trenches. I know how accommodate with it. And the last one is what about respect for human beings. Respect. And you know, Chada, Oduwa send your tenase na onen kofo no ebon komo send ya ohun pain no mean say yatete ye. You can't be a lord over somebody if you don't even understand the person. And you can't solve my problem when you are not even in my shoes. Anything about Indian senti UK parliamentarians no almost train. No more for you to feel what the people are feeling. Africa they are more V8 Jimmy Pro Max. Jimmy Pro Max. They are more V8. No more the regals. One man beside Chada that I respect so much. Kennedy in Japan. Okay, say me. I say, do you have a mentor?
Take your destiny into your own hands. Be a different woman and you succeed. Now let me tell you. I'm a politician. I've always been hiding it, but let me tell you. If you want to succeed, be happy that you have a bunch of ignorance in this country. Take advantage of it. Say, in a society with a bunch of ignorance, the few wise men succeed. Be among the few wise men and carry the bunch of ignorance along, and some will emulate you and change. When you make things different from the way they think and the way they do things, you will succeed. As simple.
Wow.
So don't let that dampen your spirit. Stand by your position that, look, I've lived in UK, US, this is how businesses are run. I'm not going to change. Young lady, you will succeed. I've come here, they've come, oh, can I Japan, a drug dealer, oh, we're a loud mouth, oh, you say. It didn't stop me. See, this is what Ghanaians are doing. We don't appreciate our own people. And the wrong people in society are our role models. That is why we are not succeeding. Nobody can tell me that Ghana is poor and I'll believe it. Because, look, I was talking to Palace, this young man, all the Lebanese people you see are not the owners. He's a young guy. Now, the time I met him, maybe he's about 40. He told me his story. He said, we were on the flight from China. And he said, oh, I'm the owner of Palace. I went to China.
Is he Ghanaian?
No, Lebanese.
Oh, Lebanese.
I schooled in Texas or so. And after school, his father gave him $300,000. He decided to come to Ghana and do business. Here we are, we see Palace. What did he do that he's making money? What did Ghanaians do that we are not making money? That is the question we have to answer. So don't tell me Ghana is a poor country. It is because we are so corrupt, we are so dishonest. We are not hardworking. Religion. And why are you afraid to die? That the few years, the 70 years God has given you, You are not utilizing it, and you allow people to put fear in you, and you don't work. Meanwhile, the little you make, you give it to the fake pastor. And when it's time for you to pay your child's school fees, you come to me, the politician. You are dumb.
Kennedy Ejapon. Me, my man, he's my man. It's not about party. I stand with people who speak the truth. I stand with people who are right. I stand with people who are intelligent. I say, the same vigor, the same strength na sabe, what they call salary epe visa call US. Now we do what we hear Juma say krama no fast vigor na hear Juma organ that you succeed. Aye. And now me share you know say now say Nigerians come to Ghana to work because of this kind of qua and they spend it there. Nigerians, they come here to work. Yes. Believe in yourself. And we are saying, Ghanaians, the thing that I say, we don't even know who we are. We don't know. Who are you as a Ghanaian? Who are you? American, who are you as American? Who are you? And you say, it is the greatest nation on this earth. But you don't know, say Ghana is the greatest nation because you are dumb. If you are not dumb, you know. The moment you start believing yourself, the moment you start knowing, say, I can do it, that is the beginning of your greatness. But then, the moment I want to run out for say, your mentality as people are dumb. We don't even know our left from our right. Eti yewra Kennedy ni video no metie na metie biem mafa muso afa bia na ni wi am here abrantie bi okon KNUST I okura degree in marketing I oye bonsuo ye ko hwe ne mra
Wadjuma we ye ni
me djuma mi ye ni me footballer ma ko school so so
ko school do be say
me UST KNUST
yeah, back
2016.
Oh, yeah, course, way.
Me marketing, we study marketing.
And they say, we are the
bonsu adwuma ma na me. Bonsu adwuma ma no na me ya.
Anya woni di.
Je na adwuma na right. Alamba say, e bu ni e bru be 30. E bru be 30. And so ba nipa ba ko pe no to t-shirt to say enkofa. Nipa 20 tika wani nya de na akofa nka umpla. And so chada ba say chada otimi tena say first time say you ti nya dey ble oba atafo wan ye adwuma onu atika mu dey adwuma no bi amaju nko didi won say ye ble enti afuwe dey chada na na ye to ama no emperifo na di ye hwamo
as a marketing student who hope say chada ba obenya adwuma
blano mi ti mu ogidie say chada ba me akosi afire be ye adwuma I frame yi school menya adwuma ede aye na Ghana football say me player pa na me gina say ubu so bia krom a ubona aka say o hwe school bia anim me one anim was one anim me boys good one anim me so na adwuma na right Ghana football say we was am ni pakra no akosan contract na dia ma no kra no ye twa aka ketenkete we pay say me pay na me 5 million bo so me mo yele wo ma me twa light be behind that. It is half 5 from the end, baby. So
to graduate pa na oye bonsu.
You see, are pathetic. Or yet me just a bonsu adwuma no. But you see, you will be a friend levels. And kwakwe and no word juma bi and no ya come e bonsu. And as a bonsu ni pono ya mechanizing no and no buy no or you in charge and then go for at least one prank or four. The mentality, where is it? These are the youth who need jobs. Yeah, Juma. A Juma to put what? Food on your table. A Juma sabe million deep politicians in a chief kwa siasam. Ejuma embam ye chobo ni edi akire enya no bi ne pe ase ejuma we ya na me ye kam ye footballer o ase football ni ko e ba 500 obere 500 Ghana no all patch no ani na etua. And these are young guys party ba omdi omachi ala on say ala ba on twist t-shirt ba ko se munyina mo nkofon You see the mentality I'm talking about? Or say, Chadaba or Tieweti or support yen. May catch us the difference between the other political parties and Nana Kwame Bediako is that Nana Kwame Bediako is practical. The others they are fiction. They are fake. They are fake. Because omunim bread. Yellow and Chamate, one no other, way and trade. Who can Minister of Trade? Ya watch chapa, what 8 one who got 16 years of Minister of Trade. What did he do? No, and I'm coming for the what are you coming for? Jim Yena Kotomana Wala, a family. Chada or some musummation and people are testifying. Across it, I feel we met one Machada. Once I will share me, one a better man. Is it MPP NEC and Afranto? Near who are not of them. No. Maybe they are the new force. And on a metwama. Minister also I will share me and on a betwama. I expose GHFM Beverage. Such all. What's a scabby associate mammy? You're the two part, no second, mamas.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.